Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Luann Eichhorn. I'm with the Deeds Group at Point Realty. I want to introduce you to my newest listing here at 2841 Inniswood Circle. Come on in, let me show you a little bit about it. So as we go through the house, I want you to notice how gorgeous this den is. We have an elegant fireplace here. As we go into the kitchen, I think you'll notice that the cabinets are beautiful. There's space up top to put all your decorations on top. And then we got this cute little hutch in the corner, and a lot of people would use that for a coffee bar. Perfect for that, ideal for that. Nice size living area. The master bedroom. See how spacious it is. There's even enough room to put a little desk or a little setup right there for your computer. And as you go into the master bathroom, you're going to see how spacious it is. I love the countertops. Spacious, walk-in shower, and you would find that the utility room is off of that as well, which I think is kind of nice. So let's take a look upstairs. As you'll see, there's 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and the bathroom upstairs is a good size as well. There's plenty of room for storage. So let's go to the backyard now. Notice how it's perfect for entertaining. We've got this great deck, you know, and you can have a barbecue here. You've got enough room for a whole bunch of people to entertain. And, you know, and they can even use a community pool, you know, if they want to go swimming afterwards. That's kind of nice about it. So let's recap. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, having open houses all weekend long. And I would love for you to come visit and take a look at this gorgeous home. Thank you.